Hey guys, today I'm just going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to redirect a custom domain that you purchased to another domain. So for example, if I bought a domain from Google Domains named Domain1, anytime a user types in www.domain1.com, they'll get redirected to the URL I've specified here. And so how you can do this is by going to the DNS settings of the domain provider that you purchase your domain from, and going to a screen similar to this. Once you're here, just type in www in the first box, select CNAME from the list of options, and then in the final boxes type in the URL that you want the user redirected to. And because we're using a CNAME, the user will never see the second URL here. They'll only see the first URL that they typed into the address bar. And once you click add or submit, it can take a couple minutes to a couple hours depending on the domain provider for the changes to take effect. But once they do, anytime a user types in www.yourdomain.com, it should get redirected to the URL you specified. And so this can just be really useful if you host your website complete for free like I am here on Netlify, and then having users redirected to your Netlify website through your custom domain. And so if this tutorial is helpful in any way, please like, subscribe, and comment.